Welcome back to Get Updated Now, and here we are with another skincare product which is from ROC. And I heard some good dermatologist talking about this. Then after that I thought of using it. So here is ROC, which is for line smoothing and maximum hydration. So if you're looking for good hydration, which usually most of us are looking for nowadays, since there's a lot of pollution or a lot of dryness around, then this is really good. And retinol, because with age you really need retinol, and this one says it has advanced retinol with hyaluronic acid, and 97% had visibly reduced lines in 1 week. So if you have the issue of lines like early wrinkles or lines on your skin, then you can use this. But then even if you don't have, you can just use it for hydration. So it'll give you good results. Now this is how it looks like. These are the ingredients here, and some warnings, and this is how you have to use it. So if you're using it during the day, you must apply a sunscreen, and if you're using it at night, what I use after this is the moisturizer, the gel moisturizer. I use this after this because this has retinol, and then this gives you even better hydration. In the beginning it's better to use this, like, not every day, so it can be alternative days if your skin is sensitive. And if you have already used retinol before and you feel you never had any issues, then you can use it as you like. But then if you're a beginner, then try with alternate days or nights. Now I'll open this. Here it is. Now this is how it looks like, and it gives you 24 hours of deep hydration. And then if after that you apply this, it will give you even better hydration. This is my own experience. Like, this is what my friend recommended me, so then I thought of doing this, and it really works because my skin is like really sensitive. So I'll show the texture from inside now. Okay, so I've used a lot, like I think I'm using it for almost a month now. And yeah, the color is this. It's not white, it's a little beige. And then since it says like it's hydrating, you will see that it's not too light. I mean, it really takes time, so it's good, like a moisturizer. It's not only retinol. So with this, you'll feel that your skin is getting better. It's not like as dry as it usually gets. Like, if you're using only one moisturizer at night, you'll feel that in the morning there's some kind of dryness or this dull look on your face. But if you're using this regularly, you will see the difference. And it's not me who's saying that, because I've been using it. So others, they mentioned this, that we can see difference on your skin. It's better, it's glowing, and it's not that dry or dull anymore. So if you're thinking of using it, you can check your skin type, and then you can just go through a few videos from good dermatologists which are already there, and then you can think of using it. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.